Hello students, in this module we are going to study map practice. There are two parts in this module. Number one part is talking about how to locate important centers of Indian National Congress sessions, and the second part to locate important centers of Indian national movement. So let's go to the first part. And once we are clear with Indian National Congress sessions, we can go to the second part, how to locate important centers of Indian national movement. There are three places, mainly from Indian National Congress sessions: Calcutta session, September 1920; Nagpur, December 1920; Madras, 1927. So let's go to these three places one by one. The first place is, Calcutta session. The importance of Calcutta session we discussed. You can also see here to start the non-cooperation movement. You need to start the non-cooperation. So all members convinced. And where do you locate Calcutta? You can locate here. Okay, you locate Calcutta here, and then you draw a line. Take the scale to draw a line like this. Okay, and here you write, if the question is it is 32.1 whatever, right here, then you write here Calcutta. That is the first place. Okay, now the second one, Nagpur, the second important place. So Calcutta we discussed, the second place is Nagpur. So what happened in Nagpur, we know non-cooperation movement decision was taken here. So roughly we will mark here Nagpur. Same way, draw a line, straight line. If it's a 32.1, okay, just write Nagpur. That is, the third place is Madras session. So where do you locate Madras session? Madras session importance, I have given there the points here. Madras session, boycott of Simon Commission. Decision to boycott Simon Commission was adopted here. 1927. The session, of course, commission came to here in 1928. So a year before it was decided. So locate Madras here. As usual, draw a line. However, you can 32.3 right here, Madras. Okay. So these are the three places. Number one, Calcutta. Number two, Nagpur. And number three, Madras. Dear students, in the first part we studied important centers of Indian National Congress. And in the second part we are going to study important centers of Indian national movement. So the number one item is Champaran, that we are going to study. Second, Kheda. Third, Ahmedabad. And fourth, Amritsar. Fifth, we have Chauri Chaura. And the last one is Dandi. These three places are very important: Champaran, Kheda, and Ahmedabad, because it was in these three places Gandhiji actually experimented the idea called Satyagraha. So let's locate three places. Champaran, where does Champaran come? We will go to Bihar. You can locate here. Look at the place, exact place we are locating here, Champaran. And as usual, we have to connect properly. If it is A or 32, let's take 32.1. Okay, you will write Champaran. Same way, let's go to the second one. Kheda is where Gandhiji fought for the peasants' movement or peasants' issue. Roughly, you can locate this region, this area. Be careful when you locate, and let me mark it as 32.2, and I will write here Kheda. The third place, Ahmedabad, where Gandhiji raised the issue of mill workers. Look at roughly I'm locating here. Make a good sign. Okay, you can draw a line like this, 32.3, and you write here Ahmedabad. So these are the three places important as far as Gandhiji's idea of Satyagraha being experimented. First, Champaran; second, Kheda; and third, Ahmedabad. Let's take last three places. That is one, Amritsar; second, Chauri Chaura; and third, Dandi. You know, Amritsar is very important place in the history of national movement. You can locate here Amritsar. You can write as example as 32.1. You can write Amritsar. You know, it was here in famous incident Jallianwala Bagh tragedy took place. British people fired on innocent Indians on 13th April 1990. It happened during the movement called Rowlatt Satyagraha, movement against oppressive Rowlatt Act. The second important place here is Chauri Chaura. You have to go to Uttar Pradesh, roughly here. So you can locate here Uttar Pradesh, Chauri Chaura, this place, and write 32.2, and right here Chauri Chaura. Chauri Chaura is the second place. It was here, you know, angry Indians attacking police in Chauri Chaura, and the entire event turned into violence. And Gandhiji calls off, he holds the non-cooperation movement. Because that is the second most important place here. And the third one, Dandi March. You know Dandi March. First time Gandhiji breaking the British laws, what is called civil disobedient movements. Civil means, you know, breaking government or British rules. And he took up the issue called salt tax, and how we marched from Sabarmati to Dandi. So you can locate Dandi somewhere here, coastal area, Gujarat, southernmost part here. So this is the third important place here. So let me write roughly, for example, as 32.3. You can write Dandi. You can also give index if you want. Table index, you know that. Here you can write 32.1, which place. You can write Amritsar. You can write 32.2. You can write as Chauri Chaura, and 32.3 you can write Dandi. Okay, so this way also you can. So if that is the case, then in this place you can just write the number only, this number, because already an index you are giving which place. Same way here you can put the number, but locate exactly and write near to that. Same way here. right? So practice well. All the best.